Wow, is this thing caked?
So we drilled it out so that it would fit, and with a little bit of help from an adapter kit, we had that engine running just like a song.
What the hell is going on? The grizzly bear. Hey, Bubba, what are we doing?
Hunky Ford.
I can't hear you.
We're doing this piece Ford drive shaft.
One more time.
Piece Ford. U-joints.
What are you looking at?
Where's he going?
I don't fucking know. Quit dicking around in my garage, bud. Bird over there. Ready?
Contact. Still
Hey,
dead?
wiggle the battery cables. Huh?
Wiggle the battery cables. Jesus, bub. Hey, hold on.
He check those batteries.
Hold this.
Oh, you hold it.
And that too. Don't lose any of it.
Now it's not.
And we got next Jay, we got Bub. And we got some dumbass ideas. It's 2:30 a.m. Slow. That wasn't slow.